Hello guys! In today's video, I'll show you how to design this amazing YouTube thumbnail in Canva step by step, so let's get started. First, choose this red texture image and place it left side of canvas. Copy it and place it on second side. Change color of both image, green in right side and dark red in left side. Go to edit and then go to adjust, then adjust the settings like me. Apply same process at right side. Now select rectangle and place it at the top of the thumbnail. Press T on keyboard, then text box will appear, and type the text in text box. Choose font League Spartan and align the text perfectly. Now select this analytics and place it like me. Select torn paper and place it center of thumbnail. Now we want a square, so press S on keyboard. Change square color to white. Make corner rounding 41. Add text in this square. Apply same process on second side. Now add this arrow. This arrow helps to increase the CTR of the video. Now time to create depth of the thumbnail, so create dark gradient and place at bottom. Now last step, add glow effect both sides, then our thumbnail is ready. This is the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe our channel for more this type of thumbnail design video. Thank you for watching.